Hi there, guys. Sorry if I haven't uploaded this in 2021, December 2021, but here is some old footage from 2021. Santa got hit by 3 trains. I hope you enjoy. Hey, it's me, Santa. Ho, 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 ho. I'm pretty sure you remember from 2020, I got hit by an Amtrak train. Well, this year, I'm gonna get hit by 3 trains. Well, let's get straight into the video. Oh, I gotta cross the train tracks. Let's go. Train number 1, Ketera Api Indonesia. What? There's a train coming. Ah! Okay, I don't know what happened to that train, but I think it just got, derailed and exploded. Well, train number 2, Wilson. Well, why is there another train coming? Ah! What? Another train? My God, why do I always have to be so unlucky? Train 3, korail class 100. What? Ah! Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Like and sub or die tomorrow.